Alright, I have the rim and tire off, as you can see here. Sorry for that light. Here's the inner CV on the right front that keeps braking. This is a stock axle. Repeat, this is a stock axle. There is no binding in here whatsoever. Nowhere near rubbing with the stock axle. Looks to be fine. Just stating the breakdown process for you. Alright, we're here with the replacing it with the Rhino axle. Let's see if you can see this number right here. There's the number of it going in. Here is the shackle style lift that came with the Catbos kit that I ordered. I'm about to install it now. It goes right here. Of course y'all know this. There you go. Alright, at this point, let me get my light down here where we can see maybe. Alright, let's see here. Anyway, there's your Rhino axle numbers again. Everything is installed properly, all in the diff housing, exactly how it should be. Come down, there's no rubbing area anywhere on this axle, even with it jacked up all the way. I will step back here, and now I will turn my rim and tire, everything bolted up. Here is your shackle lift from Catbos. They say it's 3 inches, but whatever you call that. Shortest 3 inches I've ever seen, but whatever. Now, turning the axle, there is no binding. As you can probably see, nothing is catching. No reason for it to keep braking, and I can tell. But I'll leave that up to y'all's judgment. Y'all are the pros. This is at an extreme high, as high as it will go with no weight, to push down on the angle. To lower the degree. It's probably at 40 degrees or something right now, I'm just guessing. Maybe more, I don't know. But even still, no binding of any sort. No rubbing of any sort. When I turn, nothing else happens. Of course, that would be your outer CV. Show you this side. When I turn, sorry for the shakiness, I only got 2 hands here. No binding, no rubbing, no nothing. Again, I appreciate all y'all's help. And if Jimmy's boss watches this, he has been great to work with. That man needs a raise. But I thank you for your time. I hope you can help me out. Appreciate it. This is the upper CV joint that I keep breaking. This is the 3rd time, same CV joint. Keeps coming apart on me. Rhino brand, as you can see. Here's the numbers on it right here.